Did you know humans live in a polluted world? The transition to oxygen. The general consensus is that life arose sometime between about 4.0 and 3.5 billion years ago, during a period when Earth looked much different from the world today. The young planet was hotter. There was no ozone to block the ultraviolet sunlight. Volcanic activity was widespread, and most importantly, the atmosphere held little or no free oxygen. That atmosphere would be toxic to humans and most animals alive today. Cyanobacteria live in fresh and salt water around the globe. Scientists believe cyanobacteria originated from that ancient time. Scientists think oxygen-producing photosynthesis evolved in cyanobacteria or their ancestors. Photosystem II is one of the key parts of the photosynthesis process used by all green plants and many algae. The process has been well studied and is understood. Photosystem II takes 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water plus sunlight to produce 1 sugar plus 6 oxygen molecules. In other words, materials that cannot sustain human life are used by plants to make sugars that become our food. Oxygen is released, which our bodies use to turn those sugars into energy. While the formula is simple, the process is not. Plant cells typically contain 20 to 50 chloroplasts. Inside each chloroplast are stacks of membranes called thylakoids, which contain thousands of chlorophyll molecules organized into photosystems. Sunlight excites chlorophyll, and the captured energy is used by photosystem II to split water molecules. Splitting water releases oxygen and electrons. Electrons help power the production of ATP and NADPH, which provide energy that the plant uses to build amino acids, sugars, lipids, fats, and proteins. Photosystem II is a complex process with many steps. Each step must happen in the right order for photosynthesis to work properly. As the cyanobacterium thrived, it released its waste product, oxygen. Oxygen was released over millions of years. The oxygen initially reacted with iron and other compounds. At some point, the oxygen started to escape into the atmosphere. From the perspective of Earth's earliest life, oxygen was a pollutant. Many earlier life forms died out or were forced into oxygen-free environments. The life forms humans know today were born. Also, during this time period, ozone, which has 3 oxygen atoms, was being formed by sunlight and lightning. The ozone layer formed high in the atmosphere. It blocks the deadliest form of ultraviolet light. Without the ozone layer, most of today's life would be unable to live on the surface of Earth. How ironic that even before industrialization and technology, we lived on a polluted planet. Descendants of those early organisms, if any remain, are most likely found in oxygen-free environments such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents or underground habitats. I do not understand how cyanobacteria developed photosystem II in a gradual random fashion. Were we made by chance or by design? What's your perspective? Share it in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Follow if you find this information interesting or helpful.